The chickens can vote, maybe.
Yeah, whoever can make the chickens...
Whoever can scare the most chickens wins.
Whoever can make the chicken fly the farthest.
From the explosion? Or
Yes.
from... Okay, that's going to be tough. I don't know if any of this stuff
Alright,
is gonna
let's
be
read it. Alright, welcome back to another episode of Jim vs. Drew.
We tried to make an exploding microwave challenge video, but it sucked.
It was really bad.
Really terrible. So we're boarding round 3.
Yeah, round 3 was a failure. After we got our sweet microwave, and I had a second one in my attic that we used, we went to Drew's mom's farm.
We could like put some B-roll of the openness of this stupid area.
We could use the drone to like do like
We told you our arsenal. Multiple spray paint.
Some propane.
Brake cleaner.
Liquid bluing. Aquanet.
Some fuel system treatment. This is just garbage out of my garage mostly. Old can of turpentine. We set up rounds where Jim and I each pick something to compete with. We're gonna challenge each other with items and see who can make the best explosion.
Yep. All right.
We need the viewers to vote.
Round 1, I got Purell.
Versus shampoo.
Round 2. Try again. So we're gonna try round 4. Round 3 it was a failure and wasn't worth our time to even throw it out. So we tried to blow up this fine Kenmore beauty of a microwave. Whoa! Oh, that was a fail, Drew. Oh! Oh, fireworks!
Oh my god! Where as far as it says? Oh, sparks.
Woo!
That's it. It's weak.
That sucked. I think we finally broke the microwave.
I think you did break it.
My guess is it still works.
I hope it does.
The light's still on.
That means it's gotta work.
So as you can see, the explosions were lousy. So we boarded and went straight to the grand finale.
Yeah, luckily I brought Ian and Courtney, and here is the exploding microwave.
Cut him some slack. The sights weren't dialed in and he couldn't see the target. So we opened the door. Sorry that this video was terrible.
Check out our other videos to see some more challenges.
And in the comments below, tell us what we should do next.
Don't forget, like and subscribe to see more content.
Or don't.
Or don't. Just whatever you want to do. On the plus side, we got this sweet microwave for free It's a nice Kenmore. And somehow, after all the destruction, or attempted destruction we put into it, it still works. So good job, Kenmore.